any kind of popcorn, air popcorn, coconut oil, and of course, your pressure cooker. The first thing you want to do is turn your pressure cooker into saute mode. And you want to do it for high. You want to get that thing nice and hot here before you add the ingredient. You want to make sure you're using refined coconut oil in your pressure cooker. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of the refined coconut oil. Do our first one. Cup. Make sure it starts melting there. Should start melting. That's because it's nice and hot. Next, you want to just add 1 teaspoon of popcorn salt. And this is what I got, a little bit of popcorn salt you got from the store. Or you can add whatever, your regular salt as well. But so, mix that all together. Popping oil if you want, or topping, popcorn topping if you want. This is Redenbacher's. And you just probably just need a little bit of drip of that. You don't need much. That's about all you need. About 2 good drips. Probably about a teaspoon worth is what that would be. And then last but not least, popcorn. About half a cup. You just want to add it like so. You already start hearing it, and then you want to kind of like make sure you stir it up so the oil is all around the kernels. Okay, and pretty soon you might even see it start popping at this stage. But what you want to do is make sure that oil and the salt and your popcorn oil is all, the coconut oil, popcorn, topping, and salt is all mixed together, and kind of all the kernels have all of the oil and salt mixed into it. So then you kind of want to kind of space it out and flatten it out so there's a nice even popping area here. Put a clear top on top of your pot. Like I said, it might start pop. It's kind of hard to see, but oh, there you go. Gotta lift this up here in a minute there, okay? Take it off. Wow, you see, look at that. Good stuff. All right, good stuff. Popcorn. Real good popcorn. Frank Ash, single dad recipe.